That's what makes it so good.
Now we add a few drops.
That stuff's expensive. It's so strong. Holy crap. Talk to me. Don't.
It tastes good. Oh wait, that was filming.
Yeah. Now we add mandarin oranges.
Don't forget to. No, don't forget to put your strainer on. Now you have these oranges. No tasting, Leslie. Now we pour them in. Now throw this away.
Should look like this.
Yes. It smells delicious. Now we add a Hawaiian Punch single.
This stuff is the boss. The boss. I can't open it.
And since Rayanne is crazy.
I want some. Now our lemonade singles. We're making gummy candy. Orange gummy candy. Shoot, not working.
And while Leslie's doing that, we'll add a little bit of pudding.
Oh my god.
Not as good as the other stuff though. It's okay. Now we add some pudding. Delicious. Now we need a spoon.
Rayanne, we forgot something in the recipe.
Applesauce.
Oh, and a spoon.
I can't open this pudding. Yes, I can.
Remember to use your long, skinny, small spoons. Whatever.
It's so delicious.
Whoops. Oh.
Peeling. Now remember to dye your spoon in to get all of it out.
Remember, we mix it up with the spoon also. You know, you can. Don't.
It's going to be very tasty.
Now add your Mott's applesauce. Make sure it's original.
We're not laughing.
Oh, it's just delicious, and it's just don't.
No, we mix it together.
Yay!
It's delicious. Now we add a little tiny bit, just a little drop to add some.
It should look like that. Oh yeah.
And this is actually a smoothie. Did you know that?
Yeah. Now we each get a spoon.
And you get a cup.
Make sure it's a baby spoon, like this. We forgot our apple in a bar.
No! Okay.
Make sure to crush that up real well.
This is only our first course. This is our drink party.
Yeah.
We're going to make the food
Oh,
later.
that looks so good.
It's our punch.
Have that little bit of pudding on there. Oh, delicious.
Ooh, it smells good too.
Ah, chocolatey fruit.
Now we are
Now
done with our
we
first
add-
recipe.
now-
we're done with our first recipe.
We'll do
Now
that
we are
later.
done with our first recipe. Toodles.
Now for the trying.
We're gonna
The
try our.
juice.
We're
Make
gonna
sure you
take our
get your
ladle.
soup ladle. And
Don't eat the spoon.
Yeah. Oh, it looks delicious.
Smells delicious too.
What do we put in there?
If you haven't watched our other episodes of this show, then if you want to know what it
That's
looks
good.
like, okay. Want to know what it looks like? This is it. Okay, now you're.
Three.
No, I think I need to eat the spoon.
Three, two, one.
Ooh, this is actually kind of good.